Alright, so basically what you want to do is right click, blueprint class, create a pawn. Okay? Um, and this is the pawn here. Basically I just added a locker mesh. I just add a static mesh component. Box collision, and then I have a camera just kind of chilling in there for now. And then in the event graph of it begin play, I am casting to the third person character, setting the player variable, and then I have this. If we go to the third person character, I created a blueprint, or a variable, I'm sorry, of the blueprint that I created here, just so I can access that event. Where did I put it? Okay, right here. So I have an interact button. I'm calling the hide spot, and then I'm calling enter. And basically that is plugged in to my gate here. So you do the box, begin overlap, and end overlap. I want both of them. Cast to the character, do open on the gate, do close on the gate, and then do that custom event, call it enter, and have that be here. And then you also want to do the interact event here, and that's just a keyboard input. So if we go to project settings, go to inputs, you see interact E, and make sure consume input is off on both of these. Right. So now I'm on exit, I'm doing a branch, and I'm checking to see if is hiding. Is hiding is a variable that I created inside the hide blueprint. Then on true, I want to possess that player variable that we set right here. Get player controller, of course. I want to set is hiding to false, and then I'm toggling the visibility of the player. When I destroyed the player and then spawned it back in, it was causing some weird issues, so this is kind of a shortcut way of doing it. Okay, and then I possess here. You just want to set in pawn to self because we're possessing the actual hide blueprint, and then hiding true, and then we want to toggle visibility again on the player. Okay, so you'll want to probably, you could just get, because you have a sword and stuff too, so you can get the sword and shield and do the same thing. Okay. So now what I'm doing is, the reason I created this variable here is so in the AI character, oh I'm sorry, in the AI controller I can do a branch. So on the chasing player event, I'm taking that player variable right after I set it, and I'm getting hide spot, I'm getting is hiding, and I'm checking to see if the character is actually hiding. And then if true, I clear the timer for the chase function, and then I call wander again, so the character starts, the AI starts walking around again. And then on false, just call the normal setup. So here, he's following me. Okay, he's just kind of chilling there. It's interesting, it worked before. Let me see what's going on here. Chase. Maybe I want to do a branch here as well, just for a second check. False. Let's go ahead and try calling wander again. Alright, cool, that works. So now he's wandering around. As soon as he walks away, we can kind of run over here. Strike again. Hide. Cool, so that works. So yeah, so on the chase event, just do another branch, because this is going to be called um, still. So if you do it here, it'll just prevent this from being called right away. And then I just plugged in the wander function just because. So that should do it. And then you can, go ahead and add functionality if you want to make it so the character can look around. If you have a actual locker like mesh, you can have the slots and just move the camera back so it's actually inside, so it looks a little bit cooler. But yeah, we should be good to go.